Different reactions were expressed by Cebuanos to the announcement of Vaccine Cesar Secretary Carlito Galvez that vaccination against COVID-19 of kids aged 5 to 11 years old begin this February 4. Some have shown apprehensions and said that further testing should be done to ensure that this is 100% for children.
Kaning bakuna testing ni dapat sa hayop ni dili sa tao. First sa hayop. Then kung okay sa tao.
Others admitted that they feel fear but willing to trust the recommendation of experts.
Okay ra ko. Bakunahan kay aron makagawas-gawas ang mga bata.
Galvez, however, assured the public that the decision to start inoculating children has undergone extensive research and that the dosage to be given is lower to make sure that this is safe for kids.
Makaka-assure po tayo, Mr. President, sa ating mga magulang na very safe ang ating gagamitin na bakuna. Dahil ito ay mas mababa ang formulation na angkop para sa mga bata. Kaya po makita po natin sa vials may color coding, yung orange at saka po yung purple. Yung orange po para po sa 5 to 11.
The pilot run will start in the National Capital Region and vaccination for kids in the other region will follow in the succeeding weeks. This has been Sheriza Mae Uy from MyTV Cebu.